Buddy, so I'm throwing on these Mopar Headliners for my Jeep JK two-door. I already installed the Freedom panels already. Seems pretty good. This is material. I've heard you could just Velcro patches on there. There are some thicker ones on there, but I went Mopar because I know they'd be a better fit, and they're not like as expensive as the other ones. Came in a big old box. Also, you could get them just the panels for the top, or you can also get them for this side too, which is over here. Goes right there, and they all, of course, the Mopar, and they tell you exactly where it goes, whatever. One thing though, you gotta make sure your temperature is over 6 degrees. It's about 65, 70 right now, but be fine. You have to alcohol where that that two-phase tape will be at. I alcohol the hell out of it real good, letting it dry. I took off my sound bar off, 10mm socket, took them right off, and don't forget that the plug on there, just a quick press, but just press and pull out. So as I do that, I'm gonna put these on there, which is gonna be on this side. Doesn't get too way in that corner over there, it's just fine. It just meets up where that's at. But there's some research on that. Supposedly it reduces the temperature by 10 degrees as far as, you know, heat and cooling. Like, you know, it keeps it nice and warm, a little soundproofing. So let's see how it goes. I'll take a video of what it looks like afterwards. So when you do these rear ones, make sure you do not the inside, the outside, all this right here. You clean all that up, right up to here, and all the way down to here, because that's where it's gonna fit real nice and snug too. So it's like a perfect fit. So I would just align it a little more, line it to the back, and then square it up right here, and then press. I even got one of these roller panels help me out. So I keep rolling on that on this tape, where this tape's at, and it helps out a lot, because you don't have to keep pressing over and over again. You just roll this a few times on there and it's on there. All right, so far so good. All right, the headliners are in. They look really good. Yeah, they look really good. Just when you do these side walls here, take out the tape off, whatever, and like make sure that you got nothing on here. I just took everything off here and put it back on, but just like bend it, curve it, so none of the tape sticks onto anything else, and just move it along, and then just fit it right here first, because it's really, see how snug it is? It's like a really direct fit. It's like, it's really nice and snug. Like there's no gaps in it or anything, even in that corner. It's like really snug. Look at that, really snug. So curve it in the side walls to get to where you're going, and then still like hold it till it's not touching anything, and then just line it up here, and then go forward towards the front, and it just gets nice direct, nice fit. It's nice and darker in here. Well, I got tint windows, but it feels comfortable here already. And it looks nice. It looks real nice. Yeah, looks really good. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, if you like the little tips in this video, give it a like and subscribe. All right. Thank you very much, guys. See you later.